how to bend. Bending is a technique that is often used in rock and blues. It's a great feeling and adds expression and character to your playing. When bending, you should bend the string until you reach the next note, like this. It takes time to learn to do this accurately, but as you'll notice, Amped will help you along the way. After a while, once your ears recognize the correct pitch in the bend, you should practice bending also without Amp. Your bend should follow the curve as illustrated in Amped. One tip when bending is to use 3 fingers to get more power. So, instead of pressing the string with 1 finger, you should use all 3. Also, steel-stringed acoustic guitars are very hard to bend, while electric guitars are easier.